Hi again, I'm Jo Sims, a counsellor and therapeutic coach, and I'm here today for a couple of minutes to talk with you about the emotion of anger. Anger is the emotion that gets the worst bad rap. It's the emotion that is quite divisive, and it really is one that people are quite uncomfortable looking at or sometimes even admitting that they experience. Anger in itself is not a problem. There's nothing wrong with feeling anger. It's a normal human emotion, normally to situations or events that are stressful or difficult or challenging. Things that can cause anger, situations that can cause anger, are times when perhaps your boundaries have been crossed or disrespected. Your values haven't been upheld or abused by other people. Perhaps your needs haven't been met. And as a parent carer, there are other certain situations that may cause you to experience anger at times, such as not being taken seriously by professionals, being dismissed by medical staff, your child not getting the appropriate intervention or diagnosis in a timely fashion, to mention but a few. Those situations are ones in which anybody would experience feelings of anger. It's normal. And it's really important that we normalise that, because that doesn't mean that there's something wrong with you. It means that you're human. The problem with anger comes not by experiencing it, but it's how we choose to manage it and express it. Anger is one of the most honest emotions you can have, but is one of the most misunderstood. One of the ways in which you can choose to work with anger, may be in a more positive way than you might have done previously, is to try to understand what's happening. Try to stop and listen to what the anger is actually trying to communicate to you. If you're somebody who is ignoring or suppressing that anger, pushing it away, trying to not engage with it, that anger will not stay hidden forever. It will seep through in other areas eventually. And that may look like resentment, being passive aggressive, snappy with people, argumentative, lack of tolerance with other people in your life, therefore creating more difficulties in other relationships and other situations. That's not going to help you, and it's not going to help with your well-being or the people around you. However, working with your anger in a different way, expressing it in a healthier way, can really benefit you and your well-being. Learning to listen to anger and really stop and create a pause and ask yourself, what's this trying to communicate to me, rather than instantly reacting, can really reveal to you a lot about what's happening. And then from that place of knowledge and clarity, you can then choose how you want to move forward. Because anger that is expressed in a healthy way brings clarity. It brings momentum. Anger is a powerful force, and the emotion in anger can really be used to help create change and to be used for action taking. Healthy ways to help you express your anger can be journaling, writing things down, speaking things, an audio journal, recording how you're feeling yourself, whether that's on your phone, to yourself in your notes, or in another piece of tech that you've got that can record yourself. However you choose to express anger, creating that pause to try and find out exactly what's going on rather than just react will allow you some control in the situation. So I invite you today to take a few minutes and just reflect about your own feelings towards anger, The fact that anger isn't the problem. Anger is a normal reaction, and how you choose to express that anger is the key in managing your well-being and that of others around you. Until next time, take care.